everybody, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Brian.
And we are
Cooking with the Codas. Well, last episode we finished our margaritas, so this should be a fun time making some pico. That's what we're making for you today.
Pico de Gallo, this is a fresh salsa, so you're using only raw ingredients for this. We're not roasting any tomatoes or blending anything. We're just chopping these all up and mixing them together.
You'll see that these ingredients are very similar to the guac that we just made as well. So you can see how easy it is to buy enough ingredients for guac and pico and really get to enjoy both of these.
Yep. All right, so to start off, we have our Roma tomatoes. We're gonna slice those in half, and if there's a lot of seeds or flesh in there, liquid in there, you can use a spoon to get those out, just so that it doesn't add extra liquid to the pico. And then you're gonna slice them vertically and then horizontally. You can make those slices as close together, as far apart as you want, depending on the size that you want your pico de gallo to be.
Chunky, chunky.
We have our onion. We're gonna just use a half an onion here. We're gonna do some horizontal slices and vertical slices and then dice it up. You can look at our how to slice and dice an onion video to see it in more detail.
For our garlic, we are going to flatten the knife over that. We're gonna press it, and that's gonna squeeze out this garlic. From here, we're just gonna mince it into small pieces. Now we're gonna do our jalapeno. We are going to, similar to the tomato, use a spoon to pull out all the seeds and inner workings of that. We are gonna slice these vertically, and we are going to slice them horizontally.
Finally, you have the cilantro. You're gonna cut off the larger stems at the bottom. Then you're gonna roll up the leaves, and then you're gonna keep those tight together so you can easily chop through. So it takes a lot less work when you roll it up in advance.
Now with everything chopped up, we can go ahead and start mixing everything together.
So there you have it. Our pico is mixed and ready to go. But I do recommend you actually wait a couple hours, at least 2 to 3 hours, so that the flavors all meld together and it gives you a much more flavorful salsa.
This is a great condominium to be able to enjoy with chips, burrito bowls, burritos,
Taco salads,
tacos
eggs.
without salads.
Cut! And we tried to minimize the amount of salt we added, so it can be a lower sodium option compared to other salsas you may buy at the store.
Well, I hope you enjoy the sneak pico into our recipe.
Thanks so much for watching. Please tune in next time to see our latest recipes.
Enjoy the Sneako de Pico.